Good day. Today we'll be making a soccer model using WynTech Educational Robotics Kit. So we'll be taking two U's and then putting four wheels with two motors, and then the third motor will move the arm which kicks the ball like soccer, like in soccer. So we'll be taking two U's and then fixing up after leaving 6 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hole, and on 7th hole we'll putting a screw and then fixing the screw. Normally when we make base, we use U for making up a. Sometimes the screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 and second screw. So because with this strip, if we are making a rectangular strip, we are extending it with a rectangular slip. So normally we use 2 screws. So this is screwdriver. We'll be tightening up the screw. Similarly, on this, leaving 6 hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why this is important? Because there's an alignment, proper alignment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's properly aligned. Now we put the nut on the other side and then tight it with. So now our basic body is ready to put the wheels and other things. So we tight it so that it is sturdy, it is strong enough to hold the other components. Now, so we need 4 wheels and we'll take one motor, and this motor will be fixed on. So this is a small axle and we are putting in one second hole. Putting in second hole, and we fix it with the screw. Now this motor is, so we'll take another motor and then put this plastic extender, and then on second, so we'll be putting on second. So second. So we'll fix it up with the screw. So now both the then we'll have wheels. So now see if there is a need of any spacer. Put the spacer first, and then the wheel, and then stop it with a stopper. This stopper requires hexagonal screw. So we fixed it on the other side also, the spacer, because there's a nut over here, so wheels should not struck on that, and then use another stopper and fix the stopper so that wheel should not get away. Now there's another axle. This is a long axle, and we use on the first center hole, both sides, and then the screw. We'll fix the wheel on both the sides, and you don't require spacer. If you require spacer, you can put the space, because there is no nut involved in this time, so you can skip spacer also. But if you see, if the movement of the wheel is struck, so tight the screw stopper so that wheel is fixed. Similarly on the other side, fix this. Take the other one. So now this base is made actually. The base is already ready. So now we put two U's just to extend the height so that the soaker movement should be okay. So we can put it like this and then fix this with the screw. So on the other side, put the nut. So we put the screw on the other side. Now tight the screw. And then another screw. Not properly tight, so we'll tighten it. Similarly on the other side, two screws. And we'll tighten it later on. Another one. So we'll tighten these two. So now this is made. This wheel is, so we'll change this motor and we'll put another axle, or we can use there was axle here, plastic axle. So we'll use this plastic one. There are 4 plastic, so put it in a second one, so put it in the second one. So I'll put the wheel later on. So then now we need a rectangular strip. So somewhere here, after leaving 2 or 3, so that your hand is comfortable to put the screws. So we'll fix this strip. So this will become the base of arm, which will move. So another screw, and this base should be strong enough actually. So put 4 screws. 4 screws. So at this time, actually, you can another last screw. So now we'll tighten all these 4 screws, which makes the base for the arm, which will kick the ball. Now we'll take a L, the L, which will move like this, and when it will move like this, we need something to kick over here. So later on we'll put this kind of strip. So we'll take a motor. We'll take a motor and fix this motor with a screw, 1 or 2 screws. So we'll have another screw. Normally motor is fixed by 2 screws. 2 screws. Normally, since these screws are on the base, so you need a spacer, and then you need a L sort of thing. And now we should test the brain also. So we'll fix this and we'll fix it. So that now see this will move like this with the motor. This will move like this. Now, at the end of this, with the 2 screws, we will fix this plate, which kicks the motor, now, and this is required 2 screws. We require 2 screws. So now our model is almost ready. Now we have to see. We will test it using our controller, the brain. Now see, it will move without any hindrance. It will move without. And if see this is little play, then fix it more properly. Now this last wheel, the plate which was moved. Now with a spacer, we put the wheel and fix it with a stout. So loose the thing, insert it properly, and then Write it. More you do the practice, faster you will be. Now, see, the whole model is made 2 wheels with 2 motors, and then another 2 wheels which are free to move, and then there is a small base here. This is required to fix these 2 arms, and then this U are required to raise the platform. This is a strip which is holding this arm. Now this arm can move freely. If I remove this hindrance, so it will be more faster, because the motor can be fixed with. Now see, it will move freely from here to there. Now we'll make the connection with our RJ. This is the brain, and these are the motor ports. 6 motor port. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we fix the RJ11 and the other end in the motor. This is first, second, and third one. And with the motor. So now all 3 are fixed, and I will take out this connection like this, and if the wires are bigger, you can hold it with a rubber band like this. Okay, I'll hold it like this. So now we'll move this, all 3 things. Now we'll move this wheel. We'll move this. First of all, here these wheels are moved. This is number 1. This is number 1, and this is 2. This is 3. See. If we move this 3 number, it will kick the ball. If the ball is placed like this, it will kick the ball. See, it will kick the ball. If the ball is like this, it will kick the ball. If the ball is like this, it will kick the ball. So same way, this arm will kick the ball, and these two wheels, they move. Make sure this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. See, this wheel will move like this. It will move like this, and it will kick with the third motor. It will kick. See, it will kick. See the ball. So this is how the soccer model is. It plays, if there are 2 teams, one is on left hand side, other is on right hand side, and then we can make a proper goal and then keep a ball in between. So all the robots, robot number 1, robot number 2, robot number 3, robot number 4, all the robots are placed in a line, so like a player. So they kick the ball like a player and then try to put the ball in the goal. So that team will win who will have the maximum number of goals. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.